I think you all are fine. I'm also fine. So, friends, we are going to be studying the chapter current electricity. In this video, we start and we drive a formula for and relation between V D and E means electric field and V D between E and E and volt E and volt of battery. So, and there are very simple derivation. So in this derivation we take some the motion equation, Newton's motion equation, first equation, that is V is equal to U plus ET. So let's start our this topic. So what is that? Relation between and we can write it relation between VD and V. V is volt here, and you can write this formula for drift velocity, that is drift velocity. So what we take? We take a condition here that we assume that first we diagram, make a diagram. So we assume that the cross section area is A and that length is L and electrons in this wire is N, number of electrons is N. So here we assume cross section area is A and the length of wire is L and the number of electrons is N. So we can write here, let us assume A cross section area and L length wire have N number of electrons. So we mention here the data. Let us assume A cross section area here and L length wire and have N number of electrons, 3 electrons, because the current flow due to 3 electrons. So first we have to take velocity, average velocity when does not attach. When it does not attach by the battery, then the velocity in the wire is when. Condition, we can write a condition. When wire is not connected by battery. So drift velocity is U1 vector, U2 vector and U3 vector. So this is to U1 vector. So that is U, velocity of electrons when it join with battery. So when it join with battery, so that is V1 plus V2, not plus. Here we take only velocity, no V1, V2 and V3, V4, etc. Vn. We take care of the velocity is a vector. What is we can the direction? We take care of the direction. So that two data equation first and equation second. So that are two data when not connected to battery and when electron join with the battery. That the data is now we take relaxation time and we apply here V is equal to U plus 80. So how many data we are required? V, U, and A and T also. So T means relaxation time here. So relaxation time is tau 1, tau 2, tau 3, tau n. Why I not take the direction sign on that? Because time is a scalar quantity. So and A is constant for all the electrons because we know that A is equal to E. Here E and E. E charge of electron and mass of electron, E electric field uniformity, those are constant, then A is constant. So expression is A. So expression is A. So now we take that V is equal to U80. So is equation number 3rd and that 4. Now we take V is equal to U plus 80 and divide it by N. We divide it by N. So both sides, because when it come here then cancel out, though there is no effect on that formula when we divide it. V, so V from equation first we find for first electron V is equal to means first electron, so V1, so that is V1, that is equation number 5. That is equation number 5. So for first electron V1 is equal to U1 plus A into tau 1. For second V2 U1 U2 plus A into tau 2. Now for n electron and number electron, nth electron, then it is V and UN plus A tau n. So that are the equations. So there is no need to take that equations. We need the both. So we need these equation note that it is. So when we add the all equations, when we add V1, V2 and Vn. So V1 plus V2 plus Vn. We take a dot because there is no particular number for Vn, so divide by n. So here we take tau n. So those are in multiple, so we can take on 1 in denominator of in 1 we take 1. So v into n, that is vd. We know that is vd. Now what is it? That is 0 and plus a. Tau and tau is equal to tau. So vd is equal to, and what is the value of a? E into m. We can write e. When we take vector, then we can take minus sign, and that is the relation between vd and e. So for what? For ev tau upon. So when we don't take it, then vd is equal to ev. We know that here E is equal to v upon l. Because v volt battery here, that is v volt battery, so we take LV. So that is the formula for drift velocity, E tau upon m. So that is our today's topic. So वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. थैंक यू.